Hello everyone, welcome to DecryptNDA. DecryptNDA is a group of subject experts and faculties who have cleared the various levels of UPSC examination and are continuously mentoring the aspirants of National Defence Academy. I will introduce myself. I am Rajkumar TM. I have cracked the NDA written exam twice and I was recommended as an Air Force cadet from 2AFSB Mysore. I have cleared the PABT and I was under training in the 127th batch of National Defence Academy. DecryptNDA, since our beginning, have been coming up with lot of innovative methods to make the preparation of NDA aspirants easier. Our latest program, Decrypt This Way. In this program, we are covering the GAT topics such as geography, history, polity and current affairs with daily 1-hour sessions for the past few weeks. The topics are handled by subject experts who are taking classes for various institutions all over India. The entire program is free of cost and we are providing crisp and content-enriched notes. With our frequent interaction with the aspirants, we came to know that most of the aspirants, even though they have covered the entire syllabus, even though they are having good knowledge on the topics, they are not able to solve the questions given by UPSC. While trying solving the previous year question papers or mock tests, they are not able to secure the cutoff marks. To tackle this problem, we are coming up with a new program that is Solve with Mentor. With our experience and analysis, we can confidently say that solving a multiple choice question paper like that of NDA is not only about mugging up facts or by hearting the textbooks. You might have seen several aspirants who have been continuously clearing the written phase of NDA. So, solving MCQ is an art. You should have the right thinking. You should be applying your brain logically. You need to make some smart guesses using simple tactics, or you might have to use the method of elimination in which you have to eliminate the wrong options to reach the right answer. You also need to have proper time management. With all these factors on the right path, you can easily crack any multiple choice question paper. With the help of mentors who can teach you all these things, NDA examination will be a walk in the park for you guys. So, through this program, we are offering you 4 subject-oriented tests and 1 full test. In the full test, you will be having both the papers of mathematics and GAT. The question paper will have predicted questions by experts which are expected to come for NDA 2020. You will be given a schedule of discussions and the test can be done anytime with 24 hours prior to the discussion. After the exam, you will be having an online question paper solving session in which a mentor will be solving the question paper in front of you guys through a live online platform. He will be providing you strategical approach to the question paper with problem solving skills. We will be using the Zoom platform so that you can clear your doubt using the two-way interaction. If you need help in any of the subjects for your preparation, you can get the special guidance of our mentors and we are here to decrypt all the myths of NDA examination. Here is the schedule of the program Solve with Mentor. In this schedule, we are showing the dates of discussion. Your first test will have the subjects of physics, chemistry and general science and it will have 100 questions which is for 100 minutes and the scheduled date for the discussion is on 10th August 2020. On 11th August 2020, the subjects will be Geography, History and Indian Polity. 12th, English and Current Affairs. On 13th, you will be having the discussion of Mathematics examination which will be having 120 questions for the time of 150 minutes. On 15th of August, we will be conducting the full test in which the morning session you have to write the Mathematics exam and the 15th of August afternoon session you have to write the GAT exam. Both will be conducted as per the UPSC pattern. For maths, you will be having 120 questions for the time period of 150 minutes and for GAT, you will be having 150 questions for the time period of 150 minutes. Here, I am going to show a demo about how we are going to approach various questions in the discussion of our program. I have chosen 3 random questions which are previously asked by UPSC. So the first question, recently an Operation Thunderbird was coordinated by an organization to end poaching of India's wildlife animals. Which one of the following is the correct answer? And the options, A, the Energy and Resource Institute TERI, B, Wildlife Crime Control Bureau WCCB, C. The Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Flora and Fauna, that is the CITES. And D. World Bank. If you read the question carefully, you can mark some of the keywords. That is Operation Thunderbird, coordinated by an organization to end poaching of India's wildlife animals. So the program is coordinated by an organization to end poaching of India's wildlife animals. You can easily eliminate two of the given options, that is option A and option D, because they are not related to the protection of wildlife animals. See the option B and C. It is the Wildlife Crime Control Bureau and CITES. Both are related to protection of wildlife. So you need to choose between B and C. Now your probability of getting the right answer has increased from 25% to 50%. Okay, so going through option B and C and reading the question once again, you can see it is an organization. Look at option C. It is the CITES, or it is a convention. So the only organization which is related to India's wildlife animals is option B, Wildlife Crime Control Bureau. You can easily mark your answer, which is the right answer. So you can mark the right answer from the given questions without actually knowing the correct answer. This is one of the methods in which you have to approach to crack the multiple choice questions. We'll go to the next question. It is from English. Select the antonym of the underlined word. And the given sentence is, do not indulge in unmindful activities. And the underlined word is unmindful. Looking at the options, A. Vigilant, B. Careless, C. Stupid, and D. Fetters. If you read the option carefully, you can understand that option B, C, and D are having similar meaning. Fetters means to be silly, stupid, and careless. All three are having some negative concepts, and A is something different, which is a positive concept of being vigilant. It is the antonym or the opposite word of unmindful, and since all the three options are having same meaning and one is standing as odd one out, that will be the right answer, and the answer is option A, vigilant. We will go to the third question. Match the following major soils of India with their current location. A. Red soil, B. Laterite soil, C. Alluvial soil, and D. Black soil. We are also given a map of India having the markings 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you are given codes in which you have to choose the right code. So you need to find which soil is marked as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You might not be knowing all the soils, but in your childhood, in your basic school textbook, you have learned that alluvial soils are generally found on the beds of rivers which are fertile and always good for cultivation. And major Indian rivers are flowing through the North Indian plains. You are also knowing that. So the Ganges, the Yamuna, all are flowing through the region of Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, etc. So you can understand that option 1 or the given marking 1 should be having alluvial soil. So you look in which code it is correctly matched. See, option B is correctly matched, as in option B, C is marking 1. So with only knowing one part of the question, you have reached the answer and you can choose the answer as option B. So in these three questions, we might not be actually knowing the answer, but we have, using the art of solving MCQ, we have reached the right answer. Through this program Solve with Mentor, we will be imparting you more such techniques in which you can easily understand and analyze the question and you can reach the answer without actually knowing it. So what is the output that we are trying to bring, or what all things you can earn by joining this program? You can get the tips and tactics of solving the multiple choice questions. You can get the confidence to face any question, whether it be a question that you have studied or not. You can face it with confidence and you can easily crack it. You can enhance your problem solving skills, which is already in you. We will brighten it up, we will brush it up in such a way that you can easily crack the NDA examination. We will be also giving you some of the content enrichment in which some additional content will be added to your brain and which will help you to solve many questions. You'll get an all-round support from the team DecryptNDA regarding your preparation, regarding your motivation or your confidence levels. We'll be also providing you lot of expected questions for NDA 2020 to make your chances of cracking the examination to a higher level. Also, by this program, you can also analyze your strong points and weak points, and you can plan your strategy accordingly with the help of our mentors. To join this program, you can message or call in this number 8086 277 555. DecryptNDA usually does all our program free of cost. But here, since all our mentors are preparing for UPSC and are conducting online classes and the class of DecryptNDA, we are charging a small amount of 500 rupees only. We have to outsource our question paper for typing and DTP, and we also need to purchase a license account of Zoom. So, a small amount of 500 will be charged, which are bearable for every aspirant. Together, we can work as a team, and our mentors will be always available for any help for your preparation. We will help you to get a one step closer of achieving your dream. We can, we will. All the best, guys.